guys, today I'm going to talk about shampoo bars. So, I started using shampoo bar in 2020 October to reduce my plastic usage. And shampoo bars, trust me, are so much better than the commercial shampoos that are filled with sulfates and parabens. Shampoo bars are really amazing, guys, really. I don't know, I really wish that I knew that shampoo bars existed like 10 years ago. I would have started using them right then. And then, so the first shampoo bar I ever got was from Soapworks and it lasted me for 6 months. Like one shampoo bar lasted me for 6 months and it was amazing. But it also came with a heavy price. It costed around 400 rupees for one shampoo bar. So that was not a very economical option for me. Then I started looking for more shampoo bars and then I found Cures shampoo bars. Wait, the first shampoo bar I ever used was from Godrej. It was a Shikakai shampoo bar and it left my hair so dry, so dry that I never wanted to use it again. So that's why I took 6 months break to try another shampoo bar. And then the most recent one, I mean, the current shampoo bar that I'm using is from Cures. So I got two shampoo bars. One is a 7-in-1 herb shampoo bar for dandruff, and the other shampoo bar is vegan keratin shampoo. So this is the 7-in-1 herb shampoo bar and this is the keratin shampoo bar. As you can see, it's demolded because I did not keep it properly in the washroom. So coming to the review, the 7-in-1 shampoo bar has so many herbs and oils in them to nourish and protect the hair very well. They don't just clean your hair but they also protect the hair from damage, so that is a good thing. But I think the 7-in-1 shampoo bar is great if you have oily scalp and oily hair because it has shikakai and shikakai tends to dry out your hair a little bit. So I would suggest that the 7-in-1 shampoo bar is for people who have extremely oily hair, oily scalp. And the keratin shampoo bar, wow, it is my favorite, guys. I have way too straight hair, so vegan keratin shampoo works really well for me. And the best part about this is that it's vegan because keratin is usually derived from animal extracts and animal parts, so animal proteins. So vegan, yay, cruelty free. Really leaves my hair very silky, shiny after it dries out. After my hair dries out, like you can see, it looks so beautiful. I'll put up some pictures. So that's it, guys. I've tried two shampoos and both of them are amazing. But I like keratin one better than the 7-in-1 shampoo bar. And both of these are also priced at reasonably well. They cost you around 180, 190. I think that's a good price. And both of them will come for like a long time, easily for 3 months. They will last you, if you wash your hair like me twice a week, they will last you for like 3 to 4 months or 4 to 5 months, yeah, depending on the length of your hair. But if you're a guy, I think these are best for you. They will last even longer, for probably about 6 months. These are really good, guys. I think it is time that we stop using commercial shampoo because they have so many chemicals and can potentially cause cancer, and they can actually, seep into your scalp. So please never use such shampoos. I cannot stress enough. But I have used some other paraben and sulfate free shampoos and I did not like them much. Cura shampoos for the rescue, guys. If you have dandruff, go for the 7-in-1 shampoo. If you have oily scalp, go for the 7-in-1 shampoo. But if you have a normal scalp without any issue, but if you need some protein, if your hair is getting very frizzy, I think keratin shampoo is the best one. People get keratin treatments. Yeah, it's the same keratin here. So keratin shampoo is the best if you want silky, soft and long hair. Since shampoo bars have less chemicals, your hair also grows faster because less of the chemicals, the more your hair can work better and effectively to grow, to be healthy. So I think, it's best if you want to grow your hair, if you want to keep it very healthy, please shift to shampoo bars. These are amazing and these work really well. And the best part is they're eco-friendly. You don't have to toss another bottle into the trash after it's done. So please, guys. So I have a discount code. The Indian Minimalist is a discount code. While checking out, please enter the Indian Minimalist in the discount code box and you will get a 15% discount. Yes, guys. So that's about the video today. Shampoo bars. Okay, bye.